The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has 3 key improvements over the Fold 6, making it a substantial upgrade. The Fold 7's bezels are notably thinner, higher, and broader than those of the Fold 6, setting a new record for thinness in foldable phones. In contrast to the Fold 6's 1.9mm thick bezels, the Z Fold 7's bezels are just 1mm thick. Additionally, the Flip 7 will have 1.2mm bezels. The total surface area increases dramatically, and the bezels on the inner and cover screens are thinner. With its internal display expanding from 7.6 to 8.2 inches, the Z Fold 7 has the sensation of a little tablet. There has been conjecture over the Z Fold 7's thickness. According to leaks, it would be 4.5mm thick when unfurled and 9.5mm thick when folded. It will be 8.9mm when folded, according to Ice Universe, which is still very thin but not as severe as 8.2mm. The Z Fold 7 has the biggest display ever placed on a foldable, measuring just 3.9mm thick when opened. Compared to the Oppo Find N5, the thinnest unfolded foldable currently available on the market, which measures 4.21mm, this is a major gain. According to reports, Samsung's new battery and charging technology in the Fold 7 uses silicon carbon cells, but the 4,400 mAh capacity stays the same. This could be the result of Samsung's decision to reduce the size of the battery rather than increase its capacity in order to make the phone thinner. The Z Flip 7 is certified to operate at the same rates, and the Fold 7 has a 4,300 mAh battery, just 100 mAh less than the Fold 7 on a device that is almost half as large. With its thinner form, larger display, narrower bezels, ultra cameras, creaseless display, and other improvements, the Z Fold 7 is still a significant upgrade. This may have been ideal if Samsung had managed to fit in a bigger battery and perhaps a periscope camera. Perhaps the foldable that seems like a no-compromise gadget is the Z Fold 7. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.